I could play a little tune my cat wrote. Late last night, laying in bed, I found the answer to all my ills. A great big tree growing green and free, full of $10,000 bills. Well, I went downtown to buy some wheels, bought every car in town, bought all the gas and all the oil so we all could drive around. Well, I bought the big department store and everything inside. You could back up your truck and fill it up because the doors were open wide. It was company policy. We did it all the time. Well, I bought the park and I hired a band to play every day for free. I bought the bars and the trolley cars and the telephone company. You could call all day, say how's it going, and never have to pay. Send telegrams to your wife and friends saying don't have to work today. Well, after a while I got so bored I just gave the whole thing back. All I kept was a bar and grill by the northbound railroad track. You can stop by here any time of night or any time of day. Second cup of coffee's free, but the first one you got to pay.